Well, welcome to part 2 of the final exam review. This part 2 is the stuff that we've been working on most recently on parabolas and quadratic equations. The function h of t gives the height in feet of a paper airplane t seconds after it is thrown upward from the roof of a 33-foot tall building. So you can see that's about 33 feet. How many seconds after the ball is thrown does it reach its maximum height? What is the paper airplane's maximum height? So we're trying to say, what is a maximum? Well, if you look at a graph, what is a maximum? And that would be the highest y value. So it would be this one right here. So this would be the maximum value, which is, if we go 2, 3, 4, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So this is a y value of 35. And what's its x value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2, 35. So how many seconds? 2 seconds. And how high? 35 feet high. In this function, a equals -1. That's impossible. How do I know that? Because it is facing upwards. So apparently, I didn't proofread this. In this function, a equals 1. The important thing is that we have to recognize that since a equals 1, that means that intercept form means that there's no number here that we have to take into account. So we can just use the intercepts and we don't have to worry about that. That's the reason we give you a. So our intercepts here are -4, 0 and 3, 0. That means our intercepts are -4 and 3, which means that these are the x values that will make the function 0. So y equals x plus 4. Right? So -4 would plug in there and make that 0. Or x minus 3. Graph the function -2x squared plus 8x minus 4. Though this one involves quite a few steps. We need to find the vertex, and we need to use a to graph the shape. You could also create a table of values. I'm going to show you if we know the regular parabola function and the shape and how we can adapt that, because it's multiplied by -2. So a equals -2. That means it's more narrow and facing down. But we need to find the vertex. So our formula for finding the vertex is x equals -b over 2a. You probably want to have that on your note sheet. So a equals -2, b equals 8, c equals -4. We're not going to actually do anything with c this time, but a good habit to get in is always identifying those things. So -b over 2a is going to be -8 over 2 times -2. So that's -8 over -4. Negative divided by a negative is positive, so this is 2. So that's x equals 2. So our vertex is 2, something. So this is our x value of a vertex. How do we get our y value? We're given the function. So y equals -2 times 2 squared plus 8 times 2 minus 4. So this is -2 times 4. Remember to do the exponent before you multiply. Plus 16 minus 4. So this is -8 plus 16. Oops, that shouldn't be a 14. Minus 4. So that's 16 minus 12, which equals 4. So our vertex is at 2, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.